Hi guys, so today I have a quick haul, probably pretty quick because it's not too many things, but one thing did come in from HSN and I was like, what is this? Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't learn my lesson. It's the We Are Memory Keepers foil quill freestyle auto ship, right? And again, 25 bucks with shipping and everything, tax and all that. And I'll probably do a review of it because it's here, and hopefully I'm gonna keep this one. I know the last one I returned it, a nice gentleman told me that the problem isn't the tool, it's me, which made me laugh because it's like, it worked before, it just didn't work too well this last time when I had reviewed the monogram kit. And it was especially those paper stencils, and then I heard from other people that they had issues with paper stencils. I printed out my own paper designs and it worked, so I don't know what that was about, but we will see. And then, like, for me, it just wasn't worth it because I already had the, a lot of the lettering stencils they had, and I got them at Tuesday morning for like $2 because it's not anything new that you could. They used to have another foil thing, a foil tool, and so basically they kind of went along with that. So I already have them. So this is the monogram kit. I'll probably try and review it, like I said, not in this video, just because I'm not in the mood. I just did this other video for this LDRS set that took me a couple hours, and so I just have other things to do. But it has 4 stencils, 5 traceable sheets, and all this other stuff right in here. And this one is, at least it's cards. The last one came with like little circles that, you know. So we'll try it out, but just not today. And it is the, oh, what was this one supposedly? This one, was it called card making? It doesn't say on here. But I can't remember what the point of this one was. The point of the last one was monograms, right? Okay. And I just got a Crafter's Companion box in. And I'm not expecting too much because, like I said, I think I only ordered like the basics. Oh, also the last time I had a Crafter's Companion order, if you guys remember, I have the paper here. They sent along that they didn't include certain things. So I had to really make the girl understand at the customer service that I didn't get a few particular items, and it said to follow, right? So what they said right here, now that I read it, to follow ×5 of the SS25, which was the easy mount acrylic storage panels, full size with tabs. So basically a bunch of white tabs, right? The acrylic mount pages for the purple folder that they sell. And she's like, okay, so did you get the folder? I'm like, no, I didn't get anything because I didn't get the large die-in folder with the panels, and I didn't get the extra panels I ordered. So she was like, okay, so it's 2. I'm like, well, no, it's 5, right? Because it's supposed to be a 3-pack of those, and that's why it says ×5. But they still hadn't sent them, so, or give me a refund. She's like, oh, so do you want a refund or you want them? I'm like, no, I want them. She's like, okay. So she sent them out, and supposedly I'm also getting, what is this? Oh, okay. And then I'm also getting replacements of the tape runner that keeps not working for me. The reason they were able to send a replacement though is because I recently ordered it. It's not because I just complained about it. So just so you guys know, hopefully if you have an issue with your tape runners and you still have an order that was kind of open recently, that they can replace that for you. So this actually is only 2 things. This is not what I was expecting. So I placed 2 orders with them recently. So one of them was for this that I totally forgot. And then the second one is from one of the shows, right? So it's like bundles and stuff. But this is the Gemini Floral Sentiment Stamp and Die Collection. Ooh, okay. And then we have the Collage Photopolymer Stamps Complete Collection. So this is all the Collage Photopolymer stamps. They had them on HSN too. I just didn't buy any. I wasn't really into it. But when I went to their site, they had them for like, not that much money. Well, that's not true. There was $49.73, okay, for all of them, which is 6 sets, I believe. And they are photopolymer. So a better quality stamp, I believe they're photopolymer, yeah. So these are kind of large sets. Again, I mean, I can try one out right now just to stamp it. That's not gonna hurt. The point of these is to do like fun things with them, right? So they have lots of backgrounds and like effect looking things. So they are, again, collage sets. So this one is called Cherish Every Moment. And it has this pretty rose and some other things that you saw there. The sheet size is 5 by 7 inches, so we'll open them up, at least one of them. This one is Born to Fly, really cute, like, not cute, but nice, actually, the image there. It's lovely, little circle that we all have for whatever reason. Oh, I love the music notes. I always like paper that's like that, or stamps that are like that. This one here is Feathered Friend, so that's different from Born to Fly. Has more of a typical little bird with like a flower spray here, and then like a wood grain background and some splotches and flowers and sentiments. I think on HSN they wanted like, I don't know if they were sold in 2 packs, but if they were, I think they were 20 bucks for 2. Yeah, maybe a little more because I paid less than 50 and I was like, that's a good deal. So these are really pretty. Like you have like a chicken wire type thing going, kind of. More like netting, I guess. And then some splotches and other like little flourishes and things like that. This one's called Beautiful Peony. I love their peony stamps. They're always so pretty. My favorite flower in the world. This one's called Heartfelt Wishes, which are hydrangeas. And I had said I might have bought a house, our first house in Fresno, because it had hydrangeas. And then I added more hydrangeas before we left. And so I'd be curious to go see how they're growing. That'd be so nice if they were still there, because I planted them. Heartfelt Wishes. There was a lot of roses there already, so I added hydrangeas. Really pretty set. It has like a script and other sentiments. And then this one, of course, they have a butterfly called Let Your Spirit Soar. I think I saw her use this in a demo. That's pretty much why it was even in my mind that I wanted these stamps. And nice big butterfly, and then lots of like script and other. Maybe we'll do something artsy just to try this out real quick. Just something, not really make a card, but just try it out. And then these guys, I showed you guys that I already picked these up from HSN, but they were a better price for me on Crafter's Companion. And, you know, I get the 20% off because I have the platinum. So this was $59.67 for all of these. And I think on HSN I paid 40 bucks for the 4 plus the stamps. I don't recall. So this is, let me see. Yeah, so it's 8 sets. That's why, and you know what? I haven't even released the video. Sorry guys, because I have other things I want to release first, but I did make the video to make this card here, and you make the background and everything with your stamps, and so I haven't even released it. But when you see it, those are from HSN. And then I signed up for their auto ship, so I'm like, when I return it, they might can me from the auto ship, but that's okay, because I have 8 of the words here, and I'm sure they'll start selling the other words on Crafter's Companion as they go along. But, so again, cascading words. Here it says it's called Gemini Floral Sentiment Stamp and Die Collection, but I think they call them cascading stamps and dies. So we have Baby, which is really cute. It has all the different things, the words that go along with that. And then you have Sorry, which was an HSN one. Happy was also an HSN one. Love, I think, was also an HSN one. But the stamps behind it are things that we may or may not have. Like this one is in the auto delivery, auto ship. So I'm like, ooh, I want to get that because I like the little designs. So we'll see what happens. Family is in the auto ship. A lot of these are in the auto ship if you didn't already get it on HSN, but for later, right? So some of these are already available on Crafter's Companion. Obviously, I have it in my hand. We have Laugh with the different things, Wishes, and Thanks. I think Thanks was also in the initial HSN one. So these other ones are different. And then these are the same stamp sets that HSN had put in their package. So we have Fancy Florals and Butterflies and Blooms. And then, that's right, I was like, in my video, when you watch it, I was like, I think the bundle had like tape or something. Okay, it came with luxury cardstock. I didn't even realize that. Carnival glitter cards, adhesive glitter card, matte mirror card, and mirror card. So pretty cool. I don't know if I have something like this before. So there's lots of different types of card in here. Again, different types of mediums, right? Or I don't know what you want to call it, with the glitter and the matte and the shiny and then the adhesive kind. So pretty cool. So if they still have this available, I would recommend it. I did like using the little stamps to make a background and all that. It was kind of fun. So let me think of what I want to do. I want to try this out. I'm going to try this one because along with it, I want to try these Spectrum Noir Sparkle. Yes. I haven't tried these yet. And supposedly you can use these, I think, with the stamps. Like you would just paint it on there and stamp. Ugh, is that true? I don't know. Let's try it. And then we'll see what happens. So let me grab some paper and get this going. I have a piece of the very smooth Spectrum Noir stamping card, and maybe it'd be better to use watercolor card. I don't know. But I'm going to open this up because we're going to do some of the script, and then we'll stamp like a butterfly over it and see what happens. I have no idea what, you know. Okay, so we have the script here that's very pretty. Oh, you know what? Do I have alcohol proof dye? I have alcohol proof dye ink, I think in brown, but I don't know where it is because that would be prettier. But we're just gonna go with black, I guess, because I have black. And let me see. It's hard for me to tell which way the script should go, so I'm just going to do this. And give that, oh, got on my hand. And we'll see, I guess, which way it goes. And I'm using this one, even though I've been using the stamp press from Diamond Press, because it has like foam, and I don't know if I go to use these colors, if they leak. I don't want them to get on the foam and stain it and make it look ugly. This is kind of weird. The shape is kind of weird. Let me try another one, just to try something different. I was thinking about trying this little splotch one right here. It's very artsy, you guys. Let's try this guy. And I kind of want to go off the side here. Cute. Okay. So we'll see. We might have to do a little more distressing because I feel like when we go to put the butterfly, it's going to look out of place, that everything's kind of funky and then it's so stark white, you know. But let's see. Okay. And I don't know how to use these color tints other than... Well, not that I don't know how to use them. I just haven't used them. Let me get the butterfly out, obviously. And I'm just going to use the same brush, so I need to get some paper towel. I'm looking to see if I have a brush. I know I have a brush, but which one do I want to use? Let's see. Let's put this on here. Drink a little coffee here. I have a ton of brushes, you guys, and whenever I want to use them, I'm like, where are they? I think these came from Daiso, so I'll just use some of these cheap brushes here, yeah. And I would use the same one for all three colors, but I'm going to do it right and use different brushes for the different ones. And these are just round brushes, okay? And I've never used them before, as you just saw. I got them out of the package, so you should really put these in water and get them going right. Oh my gosh, I hope this doesn't stain anything. I'm afraid of this stuff. I'm not kidding. Super afraid. Let me put this to the side. Oh, let me center myself here. Let's, you know what? I'll bring this out so I can put them on something when I'm done. The brush. I can just like put it off to the side here. So here's our paper we're going to stamp on. Let's open these guys up. So I'm going to give them a good shake. Obviously you don't want to get bubbles going, but they do have like little particles in it, right? And it's not really glitter, it's like a shimmer, I guess is more the word I'm looking for. I totally destroyed this box, so I guess we'll get rid of that. I might have tried these out for you guys once before, but I don't remember, and if I did, it was a long time ago. So let me completely open these. I would do this off camera, but I'm just gonna get this in one shot, guys. Ooh, I'm afraid I don't need to put them back on there. That's causing me problems. So let's just do this. And hopefully this works. I've said to myself, I need to try out more of my stuff, like these things, you know, get them going. All right, all right, all right. Let's open these up. If they have like a protective coating, okay, good. I was like, if they have a thing I have to punch my finger through, that was gonna drive me nuts. So, actually, I want to finish this up by 11. It's almost 11 because there's a Crafter's Companion show, the Cartload show right now. It's gonna start up. And if you guys ever watch their shows, most of the time I'm there, if not late, but I will be there. So, pink, blue, purple. Okay, I'm gonna grab some of this pink color. Just bring it here into the middle. I don't know if I have enough or too much or what, but there are bubbles, so that's kind of not good. So I'm gonna try to get rid of those. So I just start off with the pink, trying to brush away whatever bubbles are there. I'm gonna put this down over here. Let's get some of that blue. Again, I don't know if I'm getting any of the glitter, but I'm brushing on some blue, kind of getting it into the pink, just to get a little variation of color. And then we got purple. Do you guys have this stuff? Do you use it? Should I use it more often? Is it amazing? Oh, I like the way... Oopsie! I went into blue. I don't mind going from the blue back into the purple because that's not going to be the biggest deal. But I wouldn't go like from purple into the pink, you know, or something like that, or into the blue because you're going to change that up. This looks very juicy, so we will see what happens. All right, guys. Ooh. Let's bring this up here. Hopefully it doesn't put too much liquid. Oh my goodness, I love it. How easily impressed I am. I'm like, oh, this is the best thing I've ever seen. Let me see. I'm gonna see how much. I know sometimes they say just keep spraying it and then you keep using it. Like I just have another piece of paper here. Obviously it's a scrap. Where is my water bottle? I just used it in an earlier video. Gosh darn it. Let me find my water bottle. Of course. Of course. I literally just used it. What video did I use it in? Oh, this last video I just made. Water bottle. Okay, I don't have it. But how about... That's not gonna work. Well, maybe this will work. Oh, here it is. Ay. Okay, so I have my little water bottle mister. And I was gonna just rub this Vicky button over it because you can always wash it off. But let's give it a little squirt. Okay, that might be a little too much squirt. I always like when Sarah sprays them just to get it running and then it goes too much and she's like, oh, it's beautiful. I'm like, you can't see anything anymore. Like right here, that was actually pretty good. But that middle part just kind of spread more than I would like for it to. But look at that. Still working. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at the sparkle. I don't know if you can... Do you see the sparkle, guys, right there? Ooh. Pretty, pretty. I'm going to put that to the side. And then you can keep spraying it and keep using it, but I'm just not going to do that. And look how pretty it was on here, too. So I'm going to wash these off, obviously. Try to get all that stuff out of there. And wipe that off later. I'll put this to the side for now. But look how pretty that is. But like I'm saying, it's so stark around the edges. What I would do is come in and maybe distress it somehow. Let's see. This is not going to match at all, but that's okay. So I have this blue ink here. And I'll just come in and just do something to mess around the edges. So what I'm going to do is clean all this up. I'm going to do a little distressing around the edges with this blue ink that I have in a dauber or a distresser. And I'll have some pictures for you guys. So really pretty. I mean, obviously they work great, the photopolymer. And the point of it is to have like collage kind of feel like awesome. So really fun. So thanks for watching, guys. And I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.